How to remove GoGuardian on a school Chromebook. And first things first is pull up or access your school Chromebook web browser. And from here, you don't have to do anything, but instead you'll have to bookmark this empty page. So to bookmark this, click on the star icon right here, and you just have to name a random name from that bookmark. For example, testing 1 2 3. Click on done. Now, once you have successfully created the bookmark, just click on the three lines and scroll down to bookmarks and list and click on show all bookmarks. Now find the bookmark that you created, which is the testing 1 2 3 4. Right click on it or click on the three dots to edit it. Now go to edit and just change the URL on any preferred URL you want. Click on save. Now create a or go to a random website. Now once you're here, just have to temporarily remove the bookmark from this window right here. Refresh the page. Now let's re-pull up or access the bookmark that we just created to successfully remove it. So there you go. So there you go. So that's how you remove GoGuardian on a school Chromebook.